Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 14. Together we live. Answer these questions. What lesson did the kittens learn? They learned that fighting is not a good thing. Why is fighting a bad thing? Discuss. Fighting is a source of harm and hatred. It may lead to disgrace, physical injuries, and anxiety. How do you relate this poem to your own personal experiences? Once I fought with my brother on a bicycle. My father punished us on fighting. Read the poem carefully and write answers to the given questions in your notebook. What is the setting of the poem? Also tell which words helped you to understand the setting. The setting of the house of a woman. The words right out of the room show the setting. Do you think fighting is a good or a bad thing? Give reasons for your answer. Fighting is a bad thing. It brings hatred, loss, and enmity. Once I fought, I lost my pen. What is the moral of the poem? How do you know? The moral of the poem is that fighting is a bad thing. We should avoid it. The kittens fought and they were kicked out of the house. Read the poem again and fill in the blanks with the correct options. The two little kittens fought during a stormy night. The old woman swept the kittens with a broom. The kittens became wet with snow. One kitten had no mouth, so they began to fight. They found it much better to lie by the fire. Stormy weather with strong winds and heavy rain or snow. तूफानी. Quarrel झगड़ना, to fight. Sweep झाड़ू से साफ करना, to clean a room, surface etc. using a broom. Broom झाड़ू, a long brush used for cleaning the floor. Crept ringa, moved slowly without making a noise. Write a poem on the topic My Pet Cat with the help of the given rhyming words in your notebook. Purr, fur, feed, treat, fish, dish, adore, bore. My pet can outpurr. It has soft white fur. It has 4 feet. It went out only for treat. It likes to eat fish, not on floor but in a dish. My qualities, my pet eat bore. I miss her and adore. Complete the given analogies by choosing the correct words. Cow is a mammal as snake is a reptile. Pencil is to write as scissor is to cut. Moon is to night as sun is to day. Head is to head as shoe is to foot. Hat. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. SYMBUL symbol. HERBIVOROUS herbivores. BRAVERY bravery. HUNT hunt. ATTRACTIVE attractive. The simple future tense expresses an action which has not occurred yet and will occur in the future. कि सादा माजी का जो जुमला होता है वो ऐसे एक्शन को ज़ाहिर नहीं करता जो कि हो चुका होता है, बल्कि उस काम को ज़ाहिर करता है जो कि अभी मुस्तकबिल में होना होता है. यहाँ पे हमारे पास कुछ सेंटेंसेस हैं, जैसे अफर्मेटिव हैं, नेगेटिव हैं, इंट्रोगेटिव हैं. Write 5 sentences of your own in the simple future tense in your notebook. कि simple future tense के 5 sentences हमने write down करने. I shall help you. He will come tomorrow. They will play a match. We shall encourage them. She will go to the park. Different forms of be, do, and have are also used at the start of the sentences to ask question. कि मुख्तलिफ फॉर्म्स जो हैं बी की, डू की, हैव की, वो सेंटेंस के स्टार्ट में लगा के इस्तेमाल की जाती हैं कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए. यहाँ पे हमारे पास एग्जांपल्स हैं. राइट टू क्वेश्चंस यूजिंग बी, डू एंड हैव ईच इन योर नोटबुक. Is this your bag? Are you going now? Do you love your country? Does he come late? Have they reached home? Has he finished his work? Read the given poem and write its central idea in your notebook. इस पोइम को रीड आउट करना है और इसका सेंट्रल आइडिया आपने लिखना है. Working together with others is the central idea of the poem. Elephants are very disciplined animals. They walk and perform in circus. They do different activities to entertain people. They work with fun. They live in unity and work together. Write 3 pairs of rhyming words about rainbows and write a poem in your notebook. Sky, high, bright, light, 7, heaven. Write a paragraph on how should we take care of our pet animals. Share your views. We should take care of pet animals by providing them good food and clean water. We should care about his rest time as well. We should provide them things according to seasons. When the weather is hot and cloudy, we should move them at a safe place. We should not disturb them. We should love and care them. Read the given words, divide them into their syllables and also write their number of syllables. Stormy, 2 syllables. Stormy. Complaint, 2 syllables. Intelligence, 4 syllables. Password to technology, 4. Look at the given pictures, observe the body language and write that what they tell. This one is about jump, run, stand. Get students into pairs and ask them to share any memorable event from their lives by using expressions of joy, sadness, or anger. Once my father bought me a new bike. I was very happy to have that bike. I rode on the bike and felt great joy. My friend Ali requested me to share bike with him. I gave him. He drove bike with great speed and struck into a wall. I felt sad and anger. My bike was out of order. I got repair and felt happy again. Answer the given questions. Write the names of any 5 endangered animals. Amur leopard, black rhino, cross river gorilla, hawk's bill turtle, Javan rhino. What is your future career and why? Discuss. I want to become computer engineer because it has a great scope of progress. What type of storybooks do you like to read? Give reasons. I want to read adventurous storybooks because it urges me to do something extraordinary. It also gives me strength and increase my courage. What did the little kitten learn after the fight? The little kittens learned that fighting is not good thing, so they should avoid it. Why should we never fight with others? We should never fight with each others. Fighting is the source of loss and hatred. Read the given paragraph, summarize it in 3 or 4 sentences. Choosing a career is the most important decisions. It impacts on your life greatly. Parents and teachers should guide their children in choosing a good career. Read the given words and write their meanings in your notebook. Correct, disappoint, endangered, facilitate, futuristic. Crept, moved slowly without making a noise. Disappoint, to make somebody feel sad. Endangered, at risk. Facilitate, to give facilities. Futuristic, latest. Read the given text, fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions of direction and movement. As we were walking towards the hill, it suddenly started to rain. There wasn't any shelter around. Luckily, there was a cave nearby and we ran into it. My friend and I took out our torches and started walking in the cave. As we were going near a wall, we were surprised to see drawing in it on it. We continued walking and came to a small lake. We waded through the lake and kept going on our journey. Read the given sentences and write their types. Open the window. Imperative sentence. Wow, what a beautiful sight it is. Exclamatory sentence. Are you going to the park? Interrogative sentence. Don't make noise. Imperative sentence. It is a pleasant day today. Declarative sentence. Turn off the tap. Imperative sentence. Rewrite the given text by using correct punctuation and capitalization. तुर्की is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. फुल स्टॉप आएगा. तुर्की चूँकि नाउन है तो फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होगा. हैव यू एवर बीन देयर, कॉमर्स में लिखेंगे हैव यू एवर बीन देयर और आगे इसके क्वेश्चन मार्क आएगा. आई लव इट, आई कैपिटल आएगा और लव इट के बाद फुल स्टॉप. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो द का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होगा. मेन सिटीज़ ऑफ इस्तंबुल एंड एंटालिया. इस्तंबुल एंटालिया का इस्तंबुल का आई और इसका ए कैपिटल होगा. आर ग्रेट, फुल स्टॉप. सम का एस कैपिटल. सम ऑफ द व्यूज़ ऑफ दीज सिटीज़ आर स्टनिंग, फुल स्टॉप. Write a letter to your friend telling him her about your recent visit to Neelam Valley. Examination Hall, ABC City, November 15, 2021. Dear Asim, I hope you are enjoying your vacation. I am fine here. I want to tell you about my recent visit to Neelam Valley. It is really the most beautiful valley with lush greenery and high mountains. The sight of Neelam River is worth seeing. I hope you will visit the Neelam Valley with your family and enjoy a lot. Yours sincerely, Hussain.